Welcome back to Automobily's Car Today. We're diving into the stunning 2025 Toyota Corolla Pickup, a fresh take on a classic name. This vehicle merges the reliability of the Corolla lineage with the utility of a pickup truck. Let's explore its exterior design, performance features, and what sets it apart in the crowded market. The 2025 Corolla Pickup boasts a bold and aggressive stance. With a wider track and lower profile than previous models, it exudes confidence on the road. The front fascia features a dynamic grille flanked by sleek LED headlights that add a modern touch. The contours of the hood enhance aerodynamics while giving it a sporty appearance. Moving to the sides, the pickup showcases sharp character lines that run from the front fender to the rear. These lines emphasize its muscular build and add depth to the overall look. The wheel arches are pronounced, accommodating larger wheels that contribute to both aesthetics and off-road capability. At the rear, the design continues to impress. The taillights are designed with a contemporary flair, incorporating LED technology for a striking look. The bed itself features a durable liner and an integrated step for easy access. It's clear that functionality was prioritized without sacrificing style. Toyota offers a range of vibrant colors and finishes, enhancing the Corolla Pickup's appeal. The two-tone options allow for customization, catering to buyers looking to make a statement. Whether you prefer a classic solid color or a more adventurous combination, there's something for everyone. Performance-wise, the Corolla Pickup is designed for versatility. The robust chassis is engineered to handle various terrains, making it perfect for both urban environments and off-road adventures. The suspension system is tuned for a smooth ride, ensuring stability. This model marks a significant evolution in the Corolla legacy, which traditionally focused on compact sedans. The introduction of the pickup variant reflects Toyota's commitment to innovation and meeting consumer demands. It bridges the gap between the practicality of a truck and the comfort of a sedan. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Corolla Pickup stands out with its striking exterior design, advanced features, and robust performance capabilities. It's an exciting new chapter for the Corolla nameplate, proving that it can adapt and thrive in today's automotive landscape. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and let us know your thoughts on this impressive vehicle in the comments below.